Hey guys, welcome back to our another episode of Food Club. Today we are going to make Pujo special চিংড়ি মালাই কারি। পুজো মানে খাওয়া দাওয়া আর পুজো মণ্ডপে ঘোরা। সো এই পুজোতে তোমরা অবশ্যই এই রেসিপিটা ট্রাই করো, জাস্ট অসাধারণ হয় খেতে। অ্যান্ড আমাকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে অবশ্যই জানিও। অ্যান্ড ইফ ইউ লাইক দিস দেন প্লিজ লাইক শেয়ার and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the recipe, just take a look on the ingredients. Here I took 6 big or jumbo size prawn, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon sugar. Next 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 dry red chili, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom and 3 cloves. Oil and ghee, whichever you like to use, 1 medium size onion paste and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. And also 200 ml thick coconut milk. Now start the recipe. Here I am taking big jumbo size prawn and marinate the prawn with some salt and turmeric powder and then put it on a pan. Now I am going to heat the oil to fry these prawns. Cook it until 70% done. Rest 30% will be cooked in the gravy. Turn the sides and cook it well, but do not overcook. Prawns are 70% cooked. Now transfer it in a plate. In this same oil, we are going to make the gravy. Now I am adding 3 to 4 dry red chili and 2 bay leaves, half inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cardamom and 2 to 3 cloves. Saute a little. Then I am going to add the onion paste. Here I took 1 large onion and make a paste. Cook the onion until it is pinkish or light brown. Now add some turmeric and red chili powder and mix well with the onion. Then I am adding little coconut milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons, and again cook it for 5 minutes in a medium flame. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Cook it until raw smell is gone. Again I am adding little coconut milk. Then add little salt You need to cook the masala very well so that we can achieve silky smooth texture of the gravy. Then I am adding rest of the coconut milk. You can add less or more according to what consistency you want. I am adding 1 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon garam masala. And again cook it for another 5 minutes. Then leave it for 5 minutes in medium flame until oil separates and bubbles come up. Now I am going to add the prawn in it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Cook it until all separates. You can see gravy looks silky and smooth and all separated. Now turn off the gas and serve it. Please try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.